tonight. Hold on. Hey, first of all, y'all gotta give me the wedges up here. We don't have to record tonight, okay? We ain't gotta record. Let go of the compression. We're here to have a good time. Forget the recording. Take the compressor off. Give me that horn. So, oh my God. I want you to, hey! I see your t-shirts. I need some headroom. I gotta eat up the microphone today. Come on now. So listen. I love you back. Thank you. You know what? This is just a dress. That's all it is. All right? And this is just some rental hair. All right? But you and me, we, oh my God, and you way up in the tip top. You and me, and we make energy together, right? Oh, yeah, we do. Hey, me and you, that's what we do. So, listen, whenever you feel like it, and I don't mean when you think about it, I mean when you feel like it. When you feel like it, if you feel like this right here, on your hip jack, that's all right with me, okay? And if you feel like standing up and bopping left to right with your badass hat on like that right there, that's all right with me too. All right? We are here in service to you. This is your evening. So have it your way. All right? I said all right.